here, Cherokee Garage.
You don't need that.
Today, I'm going to be working on that Jeep Cherokee back there. I'm going to be decluttering the engine compartment. Plus, the reason why I'm doing that is I'm going to be taking off the intake and exhaust manifold, because the exhaust manifold is no bueno. I'm going to be replacing the carburetor too. It runs, but it don't run right. And some of the wiring, a lot of the vacuum stuff like that, don't need that stuff. EGR valve, all that stuff. Rewire the whole ignition system, all that stuff. So I'm gonna get to it right now. Yep. Okay.
If you would, go ahead and subscribe. Maybe ring that bell. Don't forget to leave some comments. Let's get to the video. So here, I'm just going through, getting rid of all these hoses and whatnot. Some of the wiring and just getting rid of the junk you don't need that they put on in the 80s, and just ripping the stuff out of there that, yeah, you don't need it. You don't really need it. I didn't need it. I'm just yanking it all out of there and just getting rid of it. A lot of the sensors and relays and whatnot. Did I already say whatnot? I think I did. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, and then I had to go ahead and I had to put that back on. Well, yeah, I had to put this back on there. Hold my hose. I had to have that to hold my hose. And then I'm doing all this here because I'm to take the carburetor off. I'm actually, replacing the intake, the exhaust manifold. So I'm just getting rid of all this stuff, take the exhaust manifold off, and the EGR valve, and the stuff like that there. And so I'm getting ready to take these nuts off over here, and that's what I'm talking about. These nuts, the carburetor nuts.
I think this is the only one you can get off with. Ow! This is the only one that will come off with a socket. And I lost this one, and then I put a 1/2 inch on it because I couldn't find the right one for it, and then I ended up finding, and I found the one I lost. So after I put this back on, I'll put the correct one back on it. It was a royal pain in the butt to put on, but hopefully I can take off. It's not a locking one, so hopefully I can just spin it off of here. Come on, man. I don't care if I drop it. Took me about a week to find the other one. It was in the dirt. I finally came across it. This is a unknown named carburetor. It's a clone of something. Carter. Or something. I don't know what it is. It's a something. Something I put on it. Let's see if I can. Nope. Let me go get him. I'll go get him. Get that back on there. Let's see. tight. It wasn't leaking, so I think this fuel pump ain't got. Well, it's a new fuel pump, but I don't know. I gotta change the filter. I got a filter for it, but I gotta change it. I'm trying to make it run first. See, ain't got no gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. So anyway, we got to get to so I got this piece of exhaust down here. I tried taking it apart, but she's not coming. He, whatever. So what I'm going to do is use, I'm just going to cut it off because I'm not eliminated anyway. Even easier without my gloves on. I'll take this off. Anyway, what I'm going to do is, you can see, I'm going to cut this off. Easy peasy. Got that done. Now I gotta get to